If you want to create a funnel that converts, you should be looking at what successful marketers are doing. Simple, right? In fact, it's exactly what Tony Robbins teaches about success. Find someone who's done what you want to do and then learn everything about what they do. So today, I'm going to do exactly that and share with you what I learned from someone who's done more than 100 million in online sales. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. On today's video, I'm going to show you the essential elements of a successful online marketing funnel that you can use for affiliate marketing or your own product sales if you prefer. And I'm also going to show you how you can gain access to one of these funnels for free. So stick with me for that special bonus. What you'll find when learning to market online is that there are a lot of tools and resources that they suggest that they're essential for success. Or the latest tactic of the gurus. You know what I mean? All these things that you supposedly have to get if you want to be a big money maker or a high converting sales machine. It's the classic shiny object syndrome where you get sucked into thinking that you need these things to be successful. But today, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Come in a little closer. I don't want to say this too loudly. The truth is, the gurus, the people making good money online, they don't have all these shiny objects, bells and whistles. They just do the simple things really well. So let's take a look at how you can create a successful funnel that generates the money that you want to achieve without getting caught up in all the noise of the shiny objects or the bells and whistles that you're probably hearing about every day online. The first way that you can build a successful funnel is straight out of the Tony Robbins playbook that I mentioned earlier. That is, get access to a done-for-you funnel that has everything already set up. Now, when I first started, this is exactly what I did. And I not only got a done-for-you funnel, I got a funnel from a guy who's made over $100 million in online sales. So you can say this funnel had some credibility. It had some results and was converting. So I knew I could make it my own and get started using a funnel that worked without having to work it out all myself. Now, I'll talk more about how to get access to some done-for-you funnels like this one a little bit later. Now, the second option available to you is, of course, to create your own funnel or funnels. Now, this might seem a little scary if you're just getting started, but let me tell you and show you here how that doesn't have to be the case. In fact, if you recall what I mentioned earlier, the high converting and successful funnels are relatively simple, which makes them reasonably simple to create. First up, you need an opt-in page, and the objective of the opt-in page is really straightforward. You want to introduce some form of free offer, a lead magnet as they're called, in return for collecting the lead's email address. You need to make this page simple to understand and easy for the lead to give you their email address. Here's an example of a simple but highly effective opt-in page. Notice that there's not too much going on in this page. It clearly outlines what you want the lead to do. Put their email address in the box and you'll get them access to your free offer. Nothing special or spectacular about this page, right? But here's the thing. You want to make it easy for your leads to give you their email address, because here is the thing. It's highly unlikely that your marketing campaigns are going to be profitable upfront. Now, what I mean by that is that you're going to be spending some money to get leads to your opt-in page, and you'll see shortly how we then take them to an offer. But this offer is going to be relatively low priced, so it isn't going to necessarily make you profitable up front. This is why the email address is so important. You've heard me say before, the money's in the list, or the fortune's in the follow-up. This is the key to the opt-in page. The email address is the only way you can get to the follow-up. Without it, you're one and done with the lead. By collecting the email address, whether they buy your first offer or not, you can create a follow-up funnel or funnels that make further offers to your lead. This is where you'll start to become profitable, when you're able to convert sales in the follow-up funnels. So the first step to your funnel is your opt-in page. Keep it simple and it will convert a whole lot more effectively. The second part is the thank you page. And this is an important part of your funnel. This is actually a step that's optional, which I'll explain as we go through. But if you're just getting started, I'd suggest that you make the second page of your funnel a thank you page. The purpose of the thank you page is multifaceted. First up, you can use the thank you page to continue to build your brand so your lead's getting to know you. This is important in affiliate marketing because you want to be able to show your lead that you're the one delivering them the solution to the problem they came to your page for in the first place. So getting to know you is really important. The second part of the thank you page is to explain how the lead can claim their free offer that you made. You want to make it simple for your lead to know how they get what you promised. You can decide to have the free lead magnet delivered on this thank you page as a simple download, or you can explain that it'll be delivered in an email that should be in their inbox straight away. Either way works. No way is any more effective than the other. Just make it clear how you're delivering the freebie. And this is really important in building up trust with your lead. The third objective of the thank you page, and one that's a little less spoken about, but is really important to your success, is to be able to track your conversions. Now, if you choose to have a few or multiple opt-in pages for split testing purposes, then having a thank you page will enable you to determine which of the opt-in pages is converting the best. I mentioned this in this video that I'll reference above, that you need to track your links. And this is one of the most important reasons for having that tracking, so you can determine what pages are converting. And the final objective of the thank you page is to continue to frame your affiliate offer. You want to provide some detail, a hook for why the lead should click on the button to be taken to your affiliate offer. Which leads us to the final page in your funnel, which is the affiliate offer. Now, in most cases, this page will have already been built for you. You just need to link to it from your thank you page and you're done. Simple, hey? And that's all there is to a profitable and high converting funnel. No need for fancy pages, shiny objects, or bells and whistles. Save your money for marketing and just get these pages up and running. Now, I mentioned above that the thank you page is optional. What I'll say about that is once you have enough data, and by enough I'd suggest at least 500 results for each opt-in page you're split testing, you can eliminate the thank you page. Once you know with some certainty which of your opt-in pages is converting the best, you can turn off the other pages and send all your traffic to the page that won your split test. I mean, once you know that, say, one page converts at 40% and say the others are at maybe 28% or 20%, then you know that you can get between 12 and 20 more opt-ins per 100 visitors to your winning page. Well, you're going to want to use that page to get the better numbers, right? And as we know, this is a numbers game. The more people you get into your funnel for the same spend, the better your results and profitability is going to be. Now, I mentioned that I'd let you know how to get access to a done-for-you funnel, or maybe a few. Well, all you have to do is click the link in the description and I'll hook you up with some high-converting funnels that you edit to your personal brand, and you can be collecting email addresses straight away. You'll have to sign up for a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels to get the funnels, as that's the only way I can share the funnels with you, by using a link that comes in ClickFunnels. So click the link to claim your free trial, and then just let me know you have your account and I'll send you the link to get your funnels. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and revealed how you can get started with high converting funnels and building your list quickly and effectively. So let's do a quick recap of today's training of how to create a successful funnel and what the essential elements of a high converting funnel are. First, you can either access a done-for-you funnel, like I mentioned, or you can build one from scratch using the following simple pages. The first page is your opt-in page where you collect email addresses. Second is the thank you page, which after some time you can choose to remove, but not until at least 500 conversions on your split test pages. And third is the affiliate offer page, which will be created for you by the affiliate product owner. And like I mentioned a few times already, you want the pages to be simple to read, simple to understand, and simple to complete, so your lead finds it easy to move through your funnel. And once you have the email address, you're going to want to have additional funnels for your leads, whether they buy your initial offer or not, so you can generate the cash flow that will build you a sustainable business over time. So thanks for watching today's training. If you want to join my inner circle and get access to me and personal one-on-one coaching to set up your first funnel, then make sure you click the link in the description to access your free 14-day trial to ClickFunnels, and then let me know you're in and we can get started building your first funnel. So click the link and let's get started today. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you think of this training. I'll read all the comments and I'll reply to everyone. I want to hear from you and know whether this training was useful for you. And don't forget, to get started, click the link below to get your free ClickFunnels trial and join my inner circle for personal one-on-one coaching and your first funnel live.